Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We are here every morning for the opening bell, and later on in the afternoon at 3:30 Eastern Time, we are here for the closing bell. Monday to Friday, you can always rely on me. I'm always here. This is great. We are real people sharing our real life portfolios for you. And we're not selling you anything. It's honest, open, transparent. It's our real money. I share with you on the screen. Also, we are not financial advisors. We are just genuine people sharing our trades. So here we go. If it's your first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. And we really do appreciate it. I'm going to go straight over now to my live portfolio. I see we've got people coming in. Whoa22A, 123, Macca, F1MD, over there on TikTok. Good morning, Young. Reg Calls 29. Good morning to you. If you've just joined us over on TikTok, just Ehead0, hello there on TikTok. Just swipe to the right, jump onto YouTube. The link is in the profile. Okay, the link's in the profile. EHID, good morning. Jobber0, you Jober. Don's Pink, there we go, people on TikTok. So swipe to the right, go over there to the YouTube link in my profile. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sam Hughes is here. Good morning to you all. Kenneth Brunk, I'm not real, I'm wooden. Cyclops Ken is here in the live chat. If you jump onto YouTube, you can be part of our wonderful crew, our wonderful team of real people that support and help NCFC. Robert Balaki over there, good morning to you. Welcome everybody. Jonathan, Leah, we've got a great crowd forming here this morning. Jump here onto YouTube. Right, all my friends in YouTube, give us a thumbs up. Let's get this video to a record today. 17 likes is the record. We're on 9 right now, which is great for our opening start. Everybody hit the like button. That's wonderful stuff. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell as well. But more importantly, the most important thing is actually give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment below any of our videos. Ian Max 61, good morning to you. Mark Thompson 97 to you. Good morning to you. Lots of people say good morning to this morning. Just swipe right there on TikTok. Tony over there. Swipe right and jump onto YouTube link. It's lovely to have you all here. We trade live here every morning. Okay, Wooden Ken Klops. We are a wonderful community here on YouTube. Absolutely fantastic. All our friends from TikTok are now joining us. Right. Today has been a good morning so far. I'm up 0.3%. Okay, so there you go. I didn't fear. I held on. Everything is good. Clippity clop, says Kenneth. Let me bring up the live chat for everyone can see. There we go. XSH4XZX, join us here on YouTube. How are all the shares doing? We're going to share with you now. Sam, let me put your question on the screen and I'll answer. Jonathan Brunette's give a nice smiley face there. All right, let's have a look down my portfolio. I need 2 empty halves of coconuts. What the hell for? Oh yeah. Oh, hang on a minute. I know where you're going with that. The Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. Clippity clop, clippity clop. It's the King of the Britons. I've come to search for the Holy Grail. Oh, absolutely fantastic. Welcome everybody there. MC Mook, is Faru Majid as well over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right, jump in on YouTube. The link's in the profile. Right, let's get into it. It's been a good morning so far. It's been a good morning. We got some news. I'm going to be bringing you the news. Okay, so let me share with you. First of all, let me pop out my... I want to pop out my chat. There it is. I want to pop out my chat. Stick that in there. Let me bring that over there a minute. Because I've now got this new little feature where I can pop out the chat and stick it over to the right. And you'll see what that does now. See what that does. And then I can make this screen bigger. And there you go. That's what I'm talking about. You'll see why in a minute. Why I do that. We got some exciting news as well today to share with everyone with regard to the channel, with everything. We're really starting to boom now. This is wonderful. Martin Redding is here. Okay, smash the like button, everybody. Give us a thumbs up. Look at our shares today, moving up, right? So maybe that was the correction. Maybe it wasn't. I don't know. I can't predict predict anything. I'm not a crystal ball. Right, Martin Redding, good morning. Let's bring his comment up there as well. Thank you, Martin Redding. Okay, let's have a look down the shares. Look, so right now, live, we're up on the hour, 0.09. But on the day, I'm up 0.35. How about everybody else? Okay, we got 10 likes now. Smash the like button. Faru, swipe to the right. Join us here on YouTube. Okay, let's have a look down my portfolio. Sam Hughes, when you said exciting news, I thought you were going to say you're pregnant. Ha! Yeah, okay. That's not possible. I'm a bloke, but good one. All right, exciting news. I've got some exciting news. But it isn't that. That's a bit strange. All right, okay. So Amazon opening down this morning slightly. Johnson & Johnson opening down slightly. We should always, start with the bell, right? Even though technically we haven't got to the real bell. Start of the show. Let's put up the bell. Do you know what I mean? All right, Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Kenneth is up 0.34. Had a plus 6.84 EOD yesterday. Tesla is up this morning 0.5%, which is really good, and I'll explain why in a second. Apple is down slightly. Coke is down slightly. Disney down slightly. Carnival is up. We're starting to get a bounce. Thank you very much indeed. And it's going up quickly. Look at that. We've got a bit of a thing there. Let's expand that chart. Let's have a look what that's doing. We got some, there we go, some volume coming into Carnival this morning. Good, people are recognising a deal. There we go. Rolls-Royce down slightly. Robinhood up 2%. I'll take that all day long. That helps. Ocugen down slightly. Bitcoin is now moving again. We've had a bit of a slump the last couple of days. We've now got 11 likes. If you've just joined us, please do click on the like button. Crispy over there on TikTok, swipe to the right. Join us here live on YouTube. The link is in the profile. Crispy Charcoal. Bitcoin is doing well now. There we go. We're up 0.12 and we're up nearly 1% in the last hour. So there we go. We're starting to see some growth again there. Now, Target got some news today. We're going to cover the news in a minute. Target, Jonathan is all cash now. Jonathan is all out. He's all out. He decided this was a time to get out of the market. Me and Jonathan have a completely opposite approach there. I just hold and weather the storm. And I'm an Englishman, right? We're always weathering storms. We stick what we believe in. Been around for thousands of years. And we're always good. Yeah, Jonathan, he bailed, stopped his losses, and he'll come back in. That's a good tactic as long as when you get back in, you don't miss anything and it ends up you buy back higher than you were before. We shall see, but Jonathan's got plenty of cash now, about $50,000 probably, something like that to buy in, and he's buying power, which is great. What a wonderful position to be in. So let's have a look. What does Sam say? They all seem to be doing all the shares, I mean. They're all down today. Yes, everything is down, but overall my portfolio is up by 0.32, which overall now I'm up nearly 6%. You see what I mean? Seems to be, that's fine. I'm 3 months old now, and we're up 6%. So that's all fine by me. All right, let's go over to the news. And Rycarp over there on TikTok. Thank you. Swipe to the right. Jump on into my link in the profile. It's YouTube link, and you can be in with us. S&P is down slightly. Oh, there we go. Got a bit of a bounce there. Can you see that? Bit of a momentum coming in. It's probably Bitcoin now when it moves that quick. Yes, there it is. In fact, no, I'm not sure that is Bitcoin. That could be something else. Could be Carnival this morning. There it is. Carnival. Look at Carnival moving this morning. There we go. We've got some volume coming to Carnival. Could also be Tesla. I wouldn't be surprised. Yep, Tesla's up now 0.5%. That news did not affect them. Right, Kenneth. I started getting nervous on Friday. I'm not nervous at all. I'm invested in good stocks, and it'll weather the storm. Not concerned at all. Right, subscribe and ring the bell, everybody. And let's smash the like button. We're on to 11 now, which means the crowd's all here. There we go. The crowd's all here. Wonderful stuff. Thank you very much. Let's see if we can get it over 17 today, which would be a record. All right. All right. Let's see where we are at the beginning of the show. We are at 704 subscribers to the YouTube channel. Let's see if we can get to 705 during the show. All right. All right. Let's cover the news. Share, like, share. That's it. Share, click the share button. That'll always be good. All right, let's cover the news. Target today. Big news for Target. Here we go.
Today kicks off a big week for retail earnings. We find out if the Delta COVID variant is keeping shoppers at home. Plus, Cathie Wood calls out the Big Short's Michael Burry after he bet against her ARC Innovation Fund. And finally, flights from Afghanistan resume as thousands attempt to escape the Taliban. I'm Mackenzie Sagalos, and this is CNBC After Hours.
So there we go. We're going to cover the news this morning. What's going on? What's breaking?
Stocks ended the day lower thanks to new economic data that worried Wall Street. For one, a Chinese report revealed that the world's second largest economy could be slowing down. And here in the U.S., we got our latest round of retail sales data, which looks at consumer shopping habits.
Have we got anybody who's in Target here today? I think, well, Jonathan was, but Jonathan sold. Is that right?
Now, Wall Street was expecting a small dip in spending compared to last month, but it actually dropped much lower than that. On top of that, Home Depot and Walmart also reported earnings today. Now, Walmart told investors...
Martin Redding, Target reported great. People taking profits. We'll see where it is next week. I am in for the long haul. Target is up 80% for the year. Retail is hurting because of Delta variant fears. I don't think Target will go up. Let's have a look at it.
Investors that it was optimistic toward the rest of the year, but Home Depot saw a slowdown in customers. And neither company knows for sure how the surge in new COVID cases will hurt business.
Good morning, Tommy and Paddy Lyons over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right. Join us here on YouTube. Would love to hear from you. Just click on the link in the profile of TikTok and you join me live here on YouTube. Thank you very much.
CNBC's big box retail reporter Melissa Repko can break down the state of shopping.
With Walmart and Home Depot earnings today, we saw some early indicators that perhaps some of the pandemic trends are starting to reverse. So it's still early days, but for example, with Walmart, they saw people coming back to stores at higher levels, so more customer traffic at stores.
I think Walmart, yeah, I've got a little bit in Walmart. I'm looking to get in. We will look at the numbers of Target in a few moments.
And smaller baskets when they came, so they weren't stockpiling like they used to before this quarter. At Home Depot, we saw a reversal in the sense that people were doing fewer do-it-yourself.
I want to welcome Andrea Carp 88 and my friends over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right, you can jump straight in here to YouTube. Just click on the profile, and we've got a wonderful community here, all supporting each other, sharing what they're trading in, real money, and it's a wonderful community to be part of.
Project, and we're hiring more home professionals to come into their kitchen or bathroom and do it for them. So that may mean that the way that consumers are thinking and behaving is starting to change. On the one hand, Home Depot said today that they would not provide an outlook for the rest of the year. They said it's too complicated with the Delta variant, supply chains, snafus.
This Delta variant, guys, I'm really confident that this is a blip. It'll be fine. Just believe in what you believe in and stick with it. I really do believe that because, you know, the world is the same. England, Europe is moving forward. It will do the same here in America. I'm absolutely convinced of that. I'm not concerned about it at all.
And all kinds of different factors. On the other hand, Walmart put up some strong numbers and raised its forecast. So it's really too soon to tell. I think a lot of the big box stores are still working through these different factors, and inflation is another one that they're monitoring. And so we'll see what happens this holiday season. I think for many of them, it's too soon to tell. We got another indicator today about the way that consumers are spending.
So what do you think about this? Are you concerned? Let me just have a look. Let me go over to Walmart and Target. There we go. I'm still up today. I'm up 0.35% now. Let's take a look at Walmart. Let me just type it in. Might be quicker. Walmart. There we go. Walmart. All right, let's have a look. Okay, it's up, but it's just moving down slightly. Let's have a look at it over the week. Yeah, pretty flat over the week. But over the month, look, we're up 6%. Let's compare that to Target. Let's have a look at Target as well. Okay, Target is down nearly 3% this morning. Wow, down 6% over the week. Yeah, Martin, you must be hurting there. Let's have a look. Martin, I am still in Target. Yeah, it's dipping right down, dipping at the moment, but let's have a look. Let's see more on this news story about Target.
Their money, and that was the retail sales number, which missed expectations. While it is a snapshot in time, it could really mean one of two things or a blend of two of them. It's difficult to tease out how much of that is potentially concern about the Delta variant, which may mean people are less inclined to buy new clothes or going out types of items, and that might explain some of the decline. On the other hand, people also may be just spending their money differently. They may be going out and spending more on services like dining out and booking a plane trip rather than buying from stores. So as that goods to services switch happens, that may be reflected in the retail numbers too.
Okay, let's get to the numbers round. We'll start with 5. We just talked about how COVID could put a damper on consumer spending habits. Well, in some parts of the U.S., the rise of COVID-19 is hitting a record pace. 5 states are now reporting their...
Okay, we're going to move on and we're going to come back to our main portfolio a second. We'll come back to Target and Walmart as well. Martin says, look at Target for 3 months. Okay, let's do that. Target for 3 months. Yeah, look at up 17%. It's just a drip. I mean, everything's dropping right now. I wouldn't be concerned because Target, Walmart, just like in England, the major supermarkets will always do well in time because it's a staple. We all need them. XXLC, lovely over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right, join into the, click on the link in the profile and join us here on YouTube. Yeah, it's actually what people were vacationing. Yes, so I work in web marketing and we saw the same trend online. That makes sense. Thank you, Jonathan, for sharing that. You work in web marketing. That's interesting to know. I choose Walmart instead and made a few dollars. It's actually that people were vacationing. Okay. Thank you very much indeed for that, Martin, for that insight. Appreciate it. Okay, I'm up 0.34. Let me check it on the live. Yep. Moving slightly up on the live as well. Keep an eye on that. Yay, I'm a webmaster. Well, that's always good to know, my friend. That's good to know, isn't it? If we all need some work done on our internet or our websites and so on and so forth, Jonathan Brunette's in the house. There we go. Jonathan, if you have a business and you want to promote it, please do go below the videos and write a little bit about what you do and put your link in there. Normally, YouTubers would regard that as spam, but I won't. I know it's from you and I will approve it. And below every one of my videos will be you with your website, link to who you are and so on. And that's great. Just copy and paste that to all the videos. And every time we do a video, just come back when it's finished, put your, are you working in corporate? So it doesn't, oh, you're salaried, it makes the difference. Okay, well, if you have anything to promote, if anybody does, Jonathan or Ken, if anybody has something they want to share, business-wise, all my loyal supporters here, feel free to use, as the channel grows, below the videos are the comments, and I will highlight those videos. And as these videos grow, people look below, they will see at the top of these comments, and everyone who comments below will see the comment that I highlight at the top. It's a good way for you to promote yourself using my channel, which is growing by the day. So please feel free to do that. More than happy for anyone to do that. Any one of my loyal team here, just put your details and links, and I will approve and share all of it. Same with the Facebook group, do the same thing. All right, cool. I used to be one for a hedge fund. There we go. Thank you, Kenneth. All right, let's have a look. Let's go across the board right now. So Amazon down slightly, Johnson & Johnson down slightly, Tesla up and holding, Apple. Right, we've got 10 minutes before the main bell to go. Coke is down. Disney is slightly down but moving slightly up. Carnival dropped off from its opening up this morning. That's a shame. A little bit of selling going on there. Rolls-Royce has opened up. Nice one. I'm up to 13% now. Rolls-Royce has opened up 0.5%. Hood is up nearly 2% this morning. Very, very good. I knew nothing at all about stocks, but give me a server and I'd make it sing. There we go. I love to know all this stuff. It's useful for me to know all this stuff. Bitcoin, let's have a look. Today we're up on the hour 1%, moving up again now. There we go. Never concerned about that, I have to be honest. Target sales beat as shoppers go back to stores. Let's have a look at this. Online buying sags. Target Corporation beat analysis estimates for same stores sales on Wednesday as more shoppers visited its stores to buy clothes and stock up on back-to-school essentials, even though they bought less online compared to pandemic highs. Comparable sales at Target, which announced a new 15 billion share repurchase program, rose 8.9% in the second quarter, ended July 31st, edging past expectations of 8.68%, according to IBES data from Refinitiv. A majority of the growth was fueled by its stores, Target said, in contrast to a year earlier when digital channels accounted for the bulk of sales. Sadia, hello Sadia, over on TikTok. Swipe to the right, join us on YouTube. Good stuff. All right, so there you go. Bit of Target for you. Got some more breaking news I want to share with you. The Target CEO. Let's have a listen to the Target CEO this morning on earnings.
Just out with quarterly results, and joining us right now to talk about it is Target's chairman and CEO, Brian Cornell. Brian, it's great to have you here today. Thank you for joining us. Looking at these results, every number was better than the street was anticipating. You raised your guidance to the higher end of what you had previously given for the previous guidance range. You're looking at full-year operating income margin rate of 8% or higher. These are incredibly strong numbers, and yet the stock's selling off. What do you think about that?
Well, I can't tell you what's happening this morning, but I do know, Becky, the team's delivered really strong results. As I look at the second quarter, we delivered growth on top of growth. And
I love that. Everything's up, everything's great, doing better than ever before, but the stock's down, and he says, I've got no idea. I love that. I love the fact that it doesn't matter who you are. No one knows how this really works. Azaramata. Oh, I can't say these names on TikTok. Good morning, Azra. Thank you ever so much for joining me. Just swipe to the right, jump on YouTube, and see us here live. We're live here every morning. Only stock I have apart from TELUS, VIXY is up, which of course means everything's going down. VOCY is up as well. Unintentionally funny. That's what Ken has said. All right, let's watch what Brian Cornell says here from Target.
we've been doing that consistently for years now. So really strong traffic in our stores, great store comps, really solid digital performance. We're putting a 8-9 comp in the quarter on top of 24% last year. And that was historically high.
Right,
so
like what do people expect, right?
I feel really, really good about our performance.
You said that a lot of this is coming back. Comparable sales growth, I should say, was driven entirely by traffic. What are you seeing in the stores?
Well, store traffic and traffic overall grew by almost 13%. So clearly, consumers are back out. They're physically shopping in stores. They're inside a Target each and every day. And traffic was the driver. Maybe
Target would be a good investment right now. Not for me, because all my money's tied up. But let's have a look at it. It's up. So it's down 2% this morning. Down 6% on the week. Wow, look at that. But it's flat over the month. So if you want to go back a month in time and take advantage of that, there's definitely an opportunity here to buy into Target today. No question. It's a straight look at that. Straight look. That's a really comparable dip with anything that's before growth. So I would see that as a very, very good opportunity to buy in. Not for me, because all my money is tied up and I'm happy where I am. But that looks to me like a great opportunity to buy in there this morning. Let's have a bit more of this.
Behind our growth this quarter, and it has been for a while. So I think the investments we made during the pandemic in safety and really making sure we provided our guests with a safe shopping experience, we built trust, and the guests continue to reward us. You know, they're in our stores, they're still using our digital channel, and I thought our
Sounds great to me. We've got some people just joined us over here on YouTube. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. More importantly, we'd love you. Oh, RichBoy460 is here. Swipe right on TikTok and come and join us over here on YouTube. And most importantly, though, give us a thumbs up. Share the video. We're up to 11 shares, right? 11 thumbs up now. Let's see if we can get to 15 today. That would be absolutely wonderful. Let's hear some more.
Our second quarter was perhaps one of the best in retail.
Let me poke at just a couple of things, and you tell me a little bit about it. Digital digital comparable sales were up by 10%. People have gotten used to last year's 195% growth in that range.
Yeah, the two-year stack looks pretty good.
Right. So, is there
Thank you very much.
You see that concerns you? I guess let me just.
Thank you very much, Kenneth. He's got me on it. Right. I'm ready for the bell this morning. God, I'm going to be on it. I'm going to be to the second this morning, thanks to Kenneth. There's no reason why not. I've got a clock right in front of me.
Poke at something else. Somebody said, okay, Joe was pointing out that the average transaction was down a little bit. Does that mean people are spending less, or does that mean they're coming in more frequently, and that's what's happening?
I'll go back to, with traffic up 13%, they're just seeing us more often. And I think Americans are out, they're physically shopping in stores, so they're inside of our stores more frequently. They're shopping all of our categories. I mean, we saw growth across all.
Sounds great, guys, doesn't it? Target does sound an opportunity. It really does.
All 5 of our key merchandising categories. And, you know, that digital number, up 10% on top of 195 last year. But the same-day services, drive up and pick up and ship, they were up 55%. So they're still growing, and we're still seeing great traction and use of those services.
It sounds to me like he's trying to sell his shares, doesn't it? Buy my shares, everything's good. It really does sound like that this morning.
There are a lot of people who are wondering how things are doing in the current quarter, just because we've seen this Delta variant grow a little bit. Is that slowing the consumer at all?
Becky, we're off to a really strong start in this quarter. And a lot of it is back to school shopping and back to college shopping. And we're a destination for back to school and back to college. So the quarter's off to a really strong start. So we're not seeing any slowdown in our momentum.
So it's not a behavior change from the consumer
not
at this
all.
point?
Now, I think America, you know, we're more cautious right now with the Delta variant, but I'm seeing a very resilient consumer who's physically out shopping.
Martin Redding has just dropped in a comment. Let me have a look at what Martin just said. Remember, here we go. Remember DCA, the VIXY, when the market is up, if you think there is the correction coming, now is a good time to get in VIXY. If the market goes up, it will go down. There you go. Martin said, remember, IDCA, the VIXY, when the market is up, if you think there is the correction coming, now is a good time to get in VIXY. If the market goes up, it'll go down. There you go. Dollar cost averaging, all about that. Yes, indeed, dollar cost averaging all the time. For me, that is the best way of doing it. Oh, we're up to 12 likes now. Thank you ever so much indeed. Whoever just liked our video just then. Who was that who just liked it right the last second?
Shopping and trying to get back to life. And they're getting ready for back to school and back to college.
1 minute before we open the bell or ring the bell.
Halloween. And I know as we talk to consumers, they're excited about the holiday season. Now, they'll be cautious, but they want to get together with friends and family. So we're expecting a strong holiday season, and we're continuing to see, you know, really strong growth in our business.
There have been people who said if you want to buy your holiday gifts, you basically had to buy them yesterday, because it's going to be really hard to keep the store shelves stocked this year, especially with all the problems that we've seen in China and the supply chain and other issues. Is that the case?
Well, our team has done a terrific job of really maneuvering through this challenging environment. If you look at our report...
Oh, good morning, Kofi. We missed you yesterday. Was it last night? We missed you. People were asking after you, make sure Kofi was okay. In fact, you've reminded me. Okay, we've got 3, 2, 1. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and there we go. The main market is now open. We'll come back to this news story because we want to be live this morning as the bell goes. Right, immediate drop there. What's going on? What's going on? Okay, Amazon's now up, down, all over the place. Okay, Johnson's just dropped. Tesla is moving up. Apple's going down. Coke's going down. Disney up and then down again, but up slightly. Carnival dropping again. A bit of a sell-off there. Let's look at Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is up. Hood is up. Oxygen is down slightly. Bitcoin is now up today, 0.5%. Bitcoin is moving up lovely, actually. Target is down at the moment. Would expect to see something there. Let me go across to the 1 day. 1 day I'm still up 0.29. There we go. Some action coming in now. If there are any shares you want me to be watching, please do tell me. Kofi, good morning. Oh, we're up to 12 likes now. Wonderful stuff. If you've just arrived here, my watch list is fluctuating wildly. We're all over the place this morning. Yep, it's a rocky ride. Give me a thumbs up. My watch list is fluctuating wildly. Let me bring that up onto the chart there. There we go. Look, we're shooting up there now. That's probably. And let me scroll through and see what's reacting most. Amazon is down. Johnson & Johnson down. Tesla. Tesla's having a bounce. Tesla's having a big bounce there. Or it was. It still is. Apple's moving quite a bit. Coke's moving down. Disney's moving down. Carnival's got a big surge. There we go. Carnival's coming up now. And it's moving. Yep. We've got a bit of action this morning. Rolls-Royce is up again. Hood up. Oxygen down slightly. Bitcoin moving. Target. Let's keep an eye on. Oops, that's not Target. Let's go back to the Target there. There we go. Mormo over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right. Join us here live on YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. Sorry, I am an elementary teacher. School has resumed. Oh, that's nice. Kofi is a teacher. Thank you so much indeed, Kofi. One of our wonderful teachers. Thank you so much indeed for being here and supporting us. And I understand you are now going to be very, very busy as school is reopened. Absolutely. Okay, we're seeing a big jump there. Let's keep an eye on it. I want to get back up into 50,000 again. Come on. 48.9. Let's see 49 again. I liked it at 52. I felt comfortable at 52. Let's see if we get there again. All right. Let's have a look at what. Where is it? Where is my SPCE? There it is. SPCE this morning. We're getting some. Oh, nice. That's moving up. That's helping a little bit. Down 20%, but we've moved up 0.5%, 0.6%. There's some action there. Let's expand the chart in there a little bit as well. Make it simple to see. And so we had some selling, and now we've had some more buying. The volume of buying is greater. Sorry, the buying of the volume of selling is greater, rather. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Up 0.74. All right, that's helping my portfolio, as it's one of my biggest stocks. It's equal that with Bitcoin. It's one of my biggest. It's my second biggest stock, I think. 9.5%. So that really does affect what Virgin does affect my portfolio on a big way. Target still going down. Opportunity to buy into Target probably. You got to give it time. Market makers. A lot of institutions push their automatic trades through in the first 30 minutes after the bell. Indeed. That's right. There he is. Cyclops Ken. Do you know why it's called Cyclops Ken? You can see from the picture. Target is going down again. So a great opportunity to buy into Target this morning, I would have said. And Virgin Galactic moving up. That's better. I feel very comfortable with this. Bitcoin, Oxygen down slightly. Hood up 2%. Rolls-Royce up nearly 1%. Carnival's got some selling off now, but still up. Oh, nearly a percent now. Nearly a percent. That's helping me big time, because that's one. In fact, That's my biggest. That is my biggest. Yes, that's my biggest stock right now. Apologize for what I just said. Space is actually third. Bitcoin is second. Carnival is first. Look at that, nearly 18% in Carnival. I won't be there forever. When this goes back to 40, I'll sell and I'll have plenty of money then to spend and invest on other things. But there we go, up 1% right now. That's good. My portfolio is nearly at 49. Oh, it'd be nice to see 50,000 again. Let's keep an eye on target. And while we are watching all of this, let me have a look. Joel Gardner over there on TikTok. Good morning to you. Lovely to have you here. Just swipe to the right and you'll come onto the profile and you can click the link in the profile and join us here. VIXY is skyrocketing. Let's have a look at it with Jonathan. VIXY is skyrocketing this morning. Remember, this, yeah, wow. Yes, it is up 1.62. Remember, this is leveraged stock. There we go. On the week, we're up 2. VIXY. There we go. Up 1.5% now. Yeah, moving slightly again. Thank you for that update, Jonathan. Great stuff. Let's keep our eye on that as well. $49, lovely. That's great. Broke the 49, 49.10. There we go. There we go. What is what is driving me up there? So where are we now? I'm up 0.53. VIXY is an ETF. It is indeed. VIXY is an ETF, as you can see on the screen there, and we're up 1.3. Virgin Galactic. What is driving my portfolio right now? Let's have a look. Coke is down. Disney is up now. Disney is up 0.25%. Carnival is up nearly 1%. And we got some big buying coming into Carnival right now. Look at that. Huge volume for Carnival right now. This is probably, yeah, look at all this volume here to the right, to the left of your screen. A lot of volume here coming in. This is going to be a big turnaround. I'm sure it is. A month or two from now, big turnaround. Very excited as well about Virgin Galactic as well. My portfolio is now 48.9, just dropped. Just dropped slightly. I was at 49 a moment ago. Well, let's get back up to there. Let's keep our eye on target. Still down. Let's go back and see more from this report from Target.
Inventory was up $2.5 billion. So we're getting access to that inventory. You know, our stores are at this point ready for the school season, the college season, and we'll be ready for the holidays.
So you already have this stuff. You're not worried about it.
We've got a lot of
Want to thank everybody. We're now up to 14 likes. Absolutely great. 3 more and we hit a record. This is wonderful news. Wonderful news. If we can just get 3 more, we'll be on a record. This is great today.
Flowing our way right now.
Thank you.
In terms of how you get that inventory, is it more costly? Is it more difficult? I'm sure it's more difficult, but is it costing you more? Is it going to hurt margins? And that's with the margin guidance.
Our size and scale, the relationships we have with our vendor partners is certainly a benefit right now. But we continue to focus on delivering great value. If you look at our back-to-school assortment, 80% of it is priced under $10, and lots of items.
He's absolutely right. Target has got it spot on. I'm surprised it's still down. I see a big opportunity there for Target. There we go. ProShares VIX is now at 1.48. Virgin Galactic, we're having a bit of a surge this morning. This is great. We're up. We were nearly 1% then. Good. I'm still down. I'm down $1,200 on this one. Just waiting for that bounce to come, which it will come. It will come. Just below 49,000, my portfolio right now. We've got some buying coming in now to SPCE. Amazon, there we go. Amazon is now up 0.25% this morning. I bought in, even though I'm down 2.71, I bought in and looking forward to seeing this climb again. Johnson & Johnson down slightly. Tesla is up nearly 2%. Wonderful stuff. Opportunity to buy in, I think, in Tesla at the minute. Apple as well. We had a bit of a sale last couple of days. Up today. Coke down slightly, but I love the what do you call it? The dividends for that. Disney, Carnival. It just dropped back again. We had a nice little boom there. We had a sell and a buy. So there we go. Come back up again. Rolls-Royce. Let's have a look at that. That's flat today. Up 2% today. I'm up 13% now. That's going to be the big turnaround of the century as well. 6 months from now. Robinhood, look at that. We're up 2.25% nearly. Yeah, 2.25% today. Very, very nice. 28% now. Oxygen still down. This is my my friend Mr. Cyclops gave me this tip. Bitcoin is up today. Very confident about that one still. Keeping our eye on target. Slight movement there. We're watching it. Let's get the portfolio just dropped a little bit. Okay, let's go back over to that story. I do like what this guy's saying.
Are under $1. So we're continuing to focus on making sure in this environment we deliver great value. The assortment is affordable. And we're making sure that we're walking hand in hand with the guests as they get ready for back to school.
Oxygen is still sleeping.
Hot items were things like hand sanitizer.
Yeah, Oxygen is still sleeping. Yes, that's right. I'm just, this is Kenneth did say this could be a long-term thing. So, I'm going with that. I'm going with that. So we'll be back to that one shortly.
And maybe backyard pools, things like that. What are the hot items right now?
Well, we saw obviously big growth in apparel as America goes back to restaurants and out shopping in our stores. But we're seeing obviously more backpacks and lunch boxes because kids are expected to go back to a
morning, Dr. Nathan Smith is here.
So
everybody welcome. Target buying coming in. Here we go. Target is a great opportunity. Here comes the target buying. Dr. Nathan Smith, good morning to you. Good morning to you. We are nearly at a record this morning. If it's your first time here, give us a subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We're at 14. 17 is the record. So go on, hit the like button. Let's see if we can get there. Wonderful stuff. Oxygen keeps getting more institutional investors coming in. But it keeps getting hit spite of that. Okay, what do we make of that, Kenneth? What do we make of that? I want to thank Dr. Nathan Smith as well yesterday. Made me feel really good when he said that he loves this community. That's why I set this up, right? Good morning, AJC9. Swipe to the right over there on TikTok and go into the profile and you can click on the link to come to YouTube. 14 likes now. Very close, just 3 away from our record. Yeah, he said, I love the community. And do you know what? That's what this is about, right? All right? I don't make any money from doing these shows every morning. But to trade every morning with you guys and share experiences, even when I'm down, like I've lost like $4,000 in the last week or so. We're here supporting each other. We're here to help each other. It's a great, positive community. Joseph Jones over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right. Jump in on YouTube. Hey, just send some likes. Thank you ever so much indeed. Look at that. Really appreciate that. I'm going to share that on the screen. This YouTube channel is about real people supporting each other. All positive stuff. And we're here to help everyone. When we're up, we congratulate. When we're down, we support. I've lost $4,000, but it's okay. I'm not investing with money I need to pay the bills with. I know that all this will come back anyway, so I'm not the slightest bit concerned. And it's wonderful to have it recognised. Dr. Smith said it's a wonderful community, so we really appreciate that very much indeed. Our friends over there on TikTok are just saying the same thing. Joseph Jones just gave me a like as well. Joseph, swipe to the right, jump on YouTube. We've got a great community here, and you can see the trading screens if you do join us. Wonderful stuff. All right, Target has now got some buying coming in. Let's expand the chart and take a look. This is a top tip for the morning. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, as no one is here. Oh, we got more love coming in this morning from Joseph Jones. Thank you so much. I'd love you to experience it over here on YouTube. Just swipe to the right, get the link in the profile, and you will get a much better experience. There we go. There's the buying coming into Target. You can see it now on the screen. Gallon has just joined us over there on TikTok too. Good morning. Swipe to the right. Join us on YouTube. Okay. That's my main portfolio. Still going down. What's causing that drop this morning? It's not Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up. Ocugen is taking a bit of a dip this morning, down 4%. You're right there. Robinhood is up 1.68. Rolls-Royce is up. This is going to be great. I know this is going to be great. Up nearly 14% now, my Rolls-Royce. So excited about it. Carnival, just taking a dip. So someone came in, bought and sold. Quick day trader. Disney's down slightly. Coke is just coming up but down. Apple is down. Tesla is up today 1%. Johnson & Johnson, thank you for my tea. All right, SS Social just joined us on TikTok. How are you? John Walker over there on TikTok. Good morning. Swipe to the right in the profile. See the link on YouTube. Come and join us. We'd love you to join us here on the main trading screens. We've got a great community. If everyone could click subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. We're at 14 likes now. We're nearly at a record. Wonderful. Yeah, I want to just repeat what I said. How I really appreciated Dr. Smith's comments, because this morning I woke up with a barrage of, well, not a barrage, that's not true. I had a comment. I've had a few over the last few days, but I had one this morning saying below one of my videos, it was another so-called expert on YouTube doing a financial show, blah, blah, blah. Really negative. And I woke up, and normally I would be upset by that. But I remember all the positive comments that we get here from all of you. I've never professed to be an expert. None of us profess to be experts. Technical analysis from Kenneth Brunt, same as me. He's providing his time and his energy just because he loves what we're doing and supports everyone. What we are is a community of people with an interest in investing for the future, who are sharing our information with each other and supporting each other, and it's great. Oh, look at that. There is nothing like this show. No, there isn't. Out there, everyone's got an agenda. They're trying to hype certain stocks. They're trying to sell certain things, certain training schemes, what have you. We don't do any of that, and we're here to support each other and laugh about it and have some fun, and you know, that's what it's all about. I don't generally follow things like this, but Martin, you make it great. Thanks, Jonathan. By the way, Jonathan joins me every day. Well, the last 2 days, Jonathan has joined me for my drive home show. And last night he requested New York, New York, and he got it. There you go. So my day trader friends, you always get your requests if you come and join me. Consider me a friend. Thank you very much, Jonathan. That's what we're all about here, supporting each other. Right, Target's on the rise. Opportunity, I think, for Target, everybody. I do see opportunity for Target, and there is the buying power coming in. There we go. VIX as well, up. Virgin Galactic, yeah, I'm taking a tumble. Yes, simple people trying to make money and have fun. There you go. There you go, mine. Right, there you go. Love it. User 56 over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right. Join us for the best community on YouTube. Supporting each other. And right, let's have a little score. We got 10 minutes to go. I'm going to finish. Oh, there we go. A bit of sell-off there. Huge sell-off there. Huge sell-off there for SPCE. That's why my shares have tanked. 24 now. There we go. Thanks ever so much who did that. Yep, we'll be back. Don't worry about that. 48.6. Let's just remember, I'm still up 5.5%. So I'm not concerned. The biggest they said this correction could go is 5%. If it does 5%, well, it's probably already done one. I'll still be up, and I'll just hold on. Ever think of getting Robinhood to sponsor the show? Yeah. It'd be great, wouldn't it? Martyn, your show is the best. Oh, thank you very much. You guys are the best. Great. We got 14 likes now. Has everybody liked it? I just want to get I want to get to 17, which is the record. Tell your friends to come in. Oh, Tesla's up 2%. There we go. Apple down, Coke down, Disney on the way down, Carnival down. It's all right. Oh, we got a big sell-off in Carnival there this morning. That's what's done that. Rolls-Royce leveled out. Robinhood up. There we go. Ocugen down. Long-term, remember. Bitcoin up today. All right. We've covered the news with Target. Right, we've got 9 minutes to go. Let me see who is winning the main portfolio on the day. So on the day, I am down 0.28. Where is everybody on that? I'm going to post some links for everybody watching right now. Remember, all my links that I'm posting here are also below in the comments. There is my TikTok link. If you've not yet... in fact, I gave you the wrong one there. That's the one for Martyn Lucas, the singing channel. Here is the Day Trader TikTok. All right, remember, all these links are below in the comments. Check them out. If anybody wants some free stock from Robinhood, if you've not joined Robinhood, there is the links. If you want to put your we got 15. Wonderful stuff. Down 1.6. That means I'm winning so far. Kenneth, I invite you to put your Weeble link in. Not much longer, because I'm in Weeble now. I've got a referral link too. But I like Kenneth, so I'm letting him do it. Kenneth, put your link in there. For your Weeble. And here is the link for the Facebook group. Does anybody here use Amazon? I've got an Amazon shop. If you want to see anything that I buy in my studio, and if you just like helping me, that at no cost to yourself whatsoever, here is my Amazon shop. If you click on that link, my Amazon shop, all right, and then from there go and buy something on Amazon, I'll get a small percentage, like 1%. Doesn't cost you anything. So if you want to use my Amazon shop link, see that there? If you then just click on it, have a look at what's in my shop, and then from there go on to Amazon and buy something, I'll get a small little commission. So if you want to give me a tip, if you just use my Amazon shop link, it doesn't cost you anything, and then you can actually I get a little tip for doing it. Just using my Amazon link. If you want to do that, that's fine. Kenneth said thanks. His Weeble link's there in the chat if you want to do that. Wonderful stuff. I am down 0.26, which means I am winning, right? Martin Redding is down 0.26. Most of that is Target, which I'm not worried about either. No, I wouldn't worry about it. So am I winning? I'm winning again. I've won 2 days in a row. Yeah, get in. Right, let's have a look. It can't be Jonathan because he hasn't got any money in it. Thanks, Martin. I like the real estate dividend. I own zero realty stock. Thanks, Martin. I like real estate div. I own zero realty stock. Thank you very much, Kofi, for that comment. Appreciate it. 15 likes now. Wonderful stuff. We're just 2 away from the record. Hey, we got more people joining us from TikTok. So if you and Facebook, thank you very much. So subscribe and ring the bell. But more importantly, if you're watching us now on YouTube, thumbs up the video. Help us grow. 0.25. So I think I'm up 0.23. I'm up 0.05. I am the winner today. 2 days in a row. The long-term investor from England, stick it out and wait and see approach puts me ahead. All right, Martyn's got a comment there for us. For your information, if you like dividends and you believe in real estate, research LADR. I was in but got out for COVID starting to dollar cost average back in. That's what Kofi was talking about. Thank you. Dr. Nathan Smith is down. If you like dividend stocks and you believe in real estate, research LADR. There we go. I think I'm the winner then. I'm up, everybody. I'm going to give it to me with 5 minutes to go. I am the champion. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. Sorry. That was to Martin Redding. That's fine. That's fine, Kofi. Absolutely fine. I'm just reading all the comments. Good stuff. There we go. Congratulations, yeah, 2 days in a row. Boom, get in. Right, let's have a look. And that's with Virgin Galactic down. VIXY is going down, which could mean the shares are going to go up, right? We've learned that lesson. In fact, I'm going to put this in my list. As an indicator. As we've learned from Martin. Target is moving up now, folks. There you go. Target is moving up. Yep, I sold VIXY. Nice one, Jonathan. Oh, look at that, look. Target's got some buying power coming in. Target is moving. We said Target would go up, didn't we? Target buying really coming in. Robinhood moving to the moon. There's Kofi. Let's have a look. Oh, yes. Look. Whoa. Whoa. Thank you, Kofi, for bringing that to our attention. Robinhood is now up 6.5%. Look at this, everybody. That's what's driving my portfolio. That's why I'm winning. Look at that buying power. Huge amount of volume just come in. Huge amount of volume just coming in and some stacking up as well behind it. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. 48, come on. Let's get back to 50,000 before the end of the show. We've got 3 minutes. We've got to go. Absolutely great. We've got 15 likes now. User 56 over there on TikTok. Swipe to the right. Go into the profile. Jump in on YouTube. Thank you ever so much indeed. Robinhood moving to the moon. Let me put that up there for Kofi. Wonderful stuff. Hey. Oh, what about you? What about you as well? Clear Secure. Me and Dr. Smith, we were in that. Do you remember? That? What's it? You, isn't it? Clear Secure. We were there on the IPO for that. Let's have a look. And I don't think Dr. Smith got in on it, if I remember correctly. Where am I? I'm up 20%. There we go. Oh, yes. There we go. Clear Secure. It's down 17% this week. That's all to do with the Delta variant, but it's okay. I'm still up 20%, and I'm holding because when the I remember when the flights get back to normal, this is going to continue to grow. Look, so I'm okay. We grew out of the gate. We had that boom. We dropped back a bit. We stabilized, and I'm okay with that. I'm perfectly okay with that. So there you go. Let me go back to so I'm happy with that. The other one as well. The other one was Riskified. Remember that? Riskified, another great stock I'm in. Up today, I'm up 27% on that one. I only have 12 shares. Riskified. I got in on the pre-IPO with this one, folks. Very, very happy with this. Down a little bit, but this is going to be great. See, it's quite flat. This is going to be great. I really believe in this one as well. I'm up 27%. Very happy with that. I brought you up 23%. Yes, there we go. 48.9, nearly 49,000. We got a minute to go. We got 15 likes. This is great. My friends over there on TikTok, good morning. Papa, is that it? Swipe to the right, jump on the link in YouTube. Great stuff. This is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Very happy. There we go. Best part of my day is starting the community with all of you. Don't forget, I'll be back here later on in the day. There we go. What a nice little jump there. I'll be right back at the end of the day. Remember, 3:30 Eastern Time, 2:30 Central Time for the closing bell. Let's find out who wins. I win the morning. But remember, it's who wins the day, not who wins the morning. And then straight after that, of course. Oh, I've got some news for everybody. I got some news. I won't be here on Friday. I know it's the very first time I'm not going to be on a show. It's not advertised on my upcoming live streams. I'm not going to be here on Friday. I'm helping the Lions Club. They need my help. I'm a member of the Lions Club. I'm a Lion, and I volunteered to help them out for a fundraiser event. So I'm going to be down in Dallas with my equipment, setting up all day, helping out the Lions Club. So I won't be here. I will be here for the closing bell. I will be here for the closing bell. So please do join me. But I won't be here for the opening bell on Friday. Apologies, and I was really torn because I never wanted to miss a show. But unfortunately, I've volunteered for the Lions Club before I set this show up, and I can't let them down. Trust me, it was really hard because I didn't want to miss a show with you guys. But it's for charity, right? So I've got to be there. I'm committed to doing it, so I'm going to be there. So I hope you'll all join me for the drive, what do you call it, the closing bell. All right, what about on your cell via TikTok? Yeah. Hey, that's not a bad idea. I'll try. I might do an on location. I might do an on location thing. Yeah, that'll be good. On location. I'll see if I got some signal and see if it would work. I can't see it working, but there we go. Target, there we go. Moving up now. Some buying and selling coming in. Dropping back now from VIX. All right, we've come to the end of the show. I've got to go. You've been a great crowd this morning. Thank you so much for being here. It's been a good morning. Great crowd. We've got 15 likes. We're nearly Pisces. Baby, hello there. Over on TikTok, swipe to the right. You'll jump in my YouTube channel. I'm live here every morning for the opening bell and closing bell. We've got a great community here on YouTube supporting each other. The most positive financial YouTube channel. I don't say that. In fact, I do say that, but so does my team. We're here to help and support everyone. We're not financial advisors. We're just here to grow our portfolios for the future and share and help and support along the way. All right, that's it. I've got to go, because I'm off to water aerobics right now. All right. Okay. I'll see you back in a bit. So I win the morning. Let's see if I can win this afternoon. What about your sell via TikTok? That's what Jonathan says. That's it from me. Happy trading. Love to you all. Thanks ever so much for being here. Just leaves me to say, oh, I'm up 1.5. 1.5. Hang on. In the last few seconds. The winner is Kofi. I take it back. The winner is Kofi. He's up 1.5. I'm only up 1.7. There we go. The winner is Kofi. It's not me. He beat me at the last few seconds. Congratulations, Kofi. Well done. But let's see if you win the day. All right, that's it from me. God bless America. God save the Queen. Take care of yourselves and each other.